right, this news is coming in. One nation, one election gets a cabinet nod. Nod to Kovind panel report on one nation, one poll. Cabinet clears one nation, one poll proposal. BJP's big poll promise. One nation, one election. One nation, one election bill. Likely to be tabled in the winter session of Parliament. Allies JDU and LJP have backed one nation poll.
एक बहुत महत्वाकांक्षी परियोजना आप लोगों की रही है वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन। उसको लेकर क्या योजना है और कब तक इसको लागू किए जाने की संभावना?
इसी सरकार के कार्यकाल में वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन हम लागू करेंगे।
देश ने बार बार चुनाव इस देश की प्रगति में रुकावट बन रहे हैं, गतिरोध पैदा कर रहे हैं। आज कोई भी योजना को चुनाव के साथ जोड़ देना आसान हो गया है, क्योंकि हर 3 महीने 6 महीने कहीं न कहीं चुनाव चल रहा है। कोई भी योजना जाहिर करोगे आप तो मीडिया में देखेंगे, चुनाव आया तो फलाना हो गया, चुनाव आया तो फलाना हो गया। हर काम को चुनाव के रंग से रंग दिया गया है और इसलिए देश में व्यापक चर्चा हुई है। सभी राजनीतिक दलों ने अपने विचार रखे हैं। एक कमेटी ने बहुत बढ़िया अपना रिपोर्ट तैयार किया है। वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन के लिए देश को आगे आना होगा।
Going straight across to Piyush for more details on that story. Piyush, the opposition has been very clear about the fact that they don't support this. One nation, one poll is something that many parties within the opposition aren't happy about.
Well, absolutely, Sneha. We still remember that the high-level committee headed by former President Ramnath Kovind had sought the suggestions from all the political parties, and various political parties who were there, the part of NDA, they had supported it, but the opposition political parties had objected to this. But now what you are learning is that the cabinet has cleared the proposal of one nation, one poll. You would also remember that the committee chaired by former President Ramnath Kovind had submitted its report. It was 100-page report in which it was mentioned that the elections can take place in one go, or for Lok Sabha and Assembly elections can take place in one go, and then after 100 days, the local body polls can take place. But that has to be done in a synchronized manner. This is what the committee had recommended.